If your wall looks bare, you're in luck. Today, we're turning the mundane into the magnificent with DIY floating shelves. Welcome to the world of DIY, where today, you're going to learn how to add a touch of elegance and utility to your home with floating shelves. First things first, gather your materials. You'll need wood planks, brackets, screws, a drill, and a level. Don't forget your sandpaper, stain or paint, and a trusty brush for that perfect finish. Let's kick off by sketching your design. Planning is key. Measure your wall space, then the wood planks to ensure everything fits just right. Next up, it's time to cut the wood. Remember, measure twice, cut once. Safety goggles on? Great. Let's saw through those planks to your desired lengths. Now, smooth out those rough edges with sandpaper. Once they feel like silk, wipe them down and get ready for some staining or painting. Choose a color or stain that complements your room for that wow factor. Next, we're on to the brackets. Measure and mark your wall carefully, then drill in those brackets securely. Make sure they're level. No one wants wonky shelves. Almost there. Place your beautifully finished wood planks onto the brackets. Screw them in place, and voila, your shelves are ready to charm. And for the final touch, style your new shelves. Whether it's books, plants, or unique trinkets, make it your own. There you have it, folks. Stunning floating shelves that not only beautify your space, but also provide practical storage solutions. Happy DIYing! Remember, if you love this project, hit like, subscribe, and share this video. Until next time, keep creating.